I realized I forgot to show this off in the Elite Trainer box opening. Sorry about that. But this is also incredibly cool. I'm more for the first three things, but incredibly cool. Okay? So this is the first of the pins. Don't know why out of every set that they could include with Charizard, and Lucario, they would put Breakpoint in this. But, I guess that's what they did. Alright, so let's get into this bad boy. It's been a while since I opened anything like this. But not too shabby. Okay. The pins are honestly the thing that I want in this box. So I could get all rare cards and I wouldn't be too upset. But these are super cool. Got the Megazard Y. I wish that would focus. There we go. Looks super cool. The Mega Lucario from Furious Fists. Can you focus? Please? I think that's about as focused as it's gonna get. Ah, that looks nice. And then the Zard X. Yeah, there's it. Looking really cool. Okay. Let's open the first pack. I'm pretty sure all the XY sets have the same card trick. Again, this won't be available, unfortunately, because I will be using it on a Pokemon Online opening. Unfortunately. Okay, Pikachu. That's actually really cool artwork. Look at that hoodoo. It's all clay or something. Look at that. Remoraid. I love Remoraid. I love Octillery. It's such an odd evolution line. Teddy Ursa. Playing with a hat, it looks like. Scatterbug playing in the leaves. Town map. Turn all prize cards face up. Those prize cards remain face up for the rest of the game. That's interesting. Don't know if that's super useful or not, but judge. Each player shuffles and draws 4 cards. I'm pretty sure that's a bad version of Lysander. Pinsir, reverse hollow judge, and Mr. Mime, regular rare. Again, I'm going to stay by my word and say if I don't pull anything, I won't be upset because the pins are super cool. But I'd like to pull something. So let's see what I can do. If I can even... This one's giving me lots of trouble. There we go. I'll try to do a little bit better. Same thing applies to this code, sorry. 2, 3, 1, 2. I feel like I'm such a tease by showing those codes. I wish I'll get better eventually. Over time, I'll get better. Cyndaquil, that's really cool. Panpour, Stupid Monkey, Froakie, and Frogadier. Bronzor, Chespin, Fracture. Guess I should get this out of the way. Oh, that's super cool. Parallel City trainer card. Or I'm not sure the two-sided trainer card. I'm not sure if they're all called Parallel Cities or like what the special name for them are, but that's cool. A Sea King, a Reverse Holo Skyla. Whoo, that is super cool. I've actually played in a league, Showdown League format a couple times. That didn't go very well, I guess. I don't know. The first time I went pretty well. The second time I was super busy with school and I couldn't really continue. I kind of got upset and stuff, but that's besides the point. But this Raikou looks super cool. Oh, and the reason why I went off on that tangent was Raikou was on my first league team, and it did pretty well. Awesome Volt Turner. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's an empty sleeve. I love that. Raikou is sick. Like, I know it's just rare, or like just a holo, but I don't open cards much, so it is so cool. Okay, it seems that I can't hide the code card and hide the first card at the same time. Snover, looking sad. Are those trees? That actually looks like a little kid drew it. That's pretty cool. It looks like it's like crayon. Swablu. Let me try and Woobat, Ghastly, Doduo, Curlia, Buddy Rescue. I've never seen that before. That's interesting. That artwork. That artwork is pretty cool. A reverse holo chest pin and a holo Yveltal. I can never say this thing's name right. That looks really cool. It's got like a city in the background. Nice. Nice. See if I can find another one of those. I actually don't know where I put them. Oh, they're there. Sleevey sleeve. Really, really cool. Alright, so I guess to recap, we got the awesome Raikou, pretty much the best thing ever. The pretty cool Wabatol, not as cool as Raikou, but I'm tied to this Raikou for special reasons. And these really cool pins. I wish I didn't have to hold it like that. Yeah, kind of like that. Oh well. Anyway, this has been Noxtra, signing off. Let me know which out of the two, I guess, cool cards we pulled was your favorite. Mine is definitely Raikou. Yours could be Yveltal, or yours could be any number of these other cards. Like this really cool claymation Hoothoot. Anyway, see you guys later.